you realize that this is not going to go unchallenged.
Make way for Duck Dodgers in the 24th and a half century.
Hey, just a couple.
Have you ever seen this? It's...
Huh? Oh, slow and see you again. Oh, there you are. I've been searching frantically for you
really
everywhere.
funny.
Help!
Oh, yeah.
Looking over a tree, leaf clover, did I overlook the tree? Goodbye now. Don't forget to write.
You're an
Really
magic.
funny.
Thanks.
What an example. What an ultramaroon.
Very, very quiet. I'm hunting rabbits.
So you're the one behind
Oh, I like
all
this
this.
part.
Be very, very quiet. We're hunting Elmer.
Really?
Now you'll never have to look at those dirty windows anymore.
Did you ever have the feeling you were being
I
watched?
really like this part, man.
Of all the stupid suggestions.